Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your virtual event planning and hosting business on Durable is and quick. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Sign in. Now create new business. Enter your business name. Type any business name you want. And select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language, and now create business. Wait a few seconds to generate this website. First, let's go to the first section on the website, the header of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change your site name, you can change it from here. If you want to turn this on and upload a file, you can change the label. Here if you want to add the link, you can edit your social links. And also here if you want to add the channel, you can just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So if you want to edit the style of the section, the positioning, the social icon, the size or the shape, large or medium or small. So here if you want to turn this on, and this the spacing, the top, the bottom, the background, so all this. So let's save it. If you want to add a section, you can add it from here. Now just select any section you want. So that's it. The next section, the banner section of the website, you can edit it from here. Now if you want to change this, you can also regenerate. If you want to change it, just click regenerate and it will be changed. If you want to change the subtext, just click here and it will be changed. If you want to change the label, you can change it from here. You can also add the link. So that's it. If you want to manage or edit the style of this section, the spacing or the horizontal alignment or the background, you can also regenerate another image, and you can edit the image position. You can edit the background overlay, and here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's save this. The next section is the text and image section. You can edit from here. Now if you want to regenerate the content, you can edit the type or the size of the writing. You can also generate another image, and you can edit the image position. You can add a label and you can add link. So here if you want to edit the style of the section, the text alignment or the image alignment or the image or the spacing or the background. So that's it. Let's save this. Next section is the list section of the website. If you want to change this, here if you want to display, choose which will be displayed for each list item. And if you want to edit your list items, here if you want to add the list item, you can generate image. You can also edit the image position, and here if you want to generate the title, and you can generate the content. Here if you want to add a label, and if you want to add the link. So that's it. Now let's save this. If you want to edit the style of this section, the alignment or the image or the spacing or the background, So that's it. Let's save this. The next section is the testimonial section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to add testimonial, you can generate a code. You can generate by who, and also here if you want to upload image. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to edit the style of this section, the alignments, for example, like this, the spacing or the background. So that's it. Let's save it. Next section is the gallery section of the website. Here if you want to edit or change this, you can also generate the image, and if you want to upload the image from browser, just go to the browser and select any image and put it here. So that's it. If you want to pick image from library or from here, for example, um, let's pick some image from here. For example, this. If you want to edit the style of the section, the hidden alignment or the type, or the spacing or the background. So that's it. Let's save this. Next section is the location section of the website. Click edit, and here if you want to edit this, you can also change the business address, and here if you want to add additional text files, you can add the title or the content. If you want to edit the style of the section, the type or the theme or the rounded corners. If you want to edit the marker color, the spacing or the background. So let's move on to the next section. Next section is the contact form section. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to regenerate the contact form, you can change it. You can also edit the style or the type of the writing, and here if you want to manage files, if you want to custom input labels, if you want to generate form success message and edit this style of or the size of the writing. So that's it. Now if you want to edit the style of this section, the form alignment or the spacing or the vertical alignment or the background. So let's save this. Now the next section is the footer section of the website, the last section. You can edit the business name here if you want to turn this on and upload the file. You can also add additional details. You can add your business address or any other relevant details. And here if you want to turn this on and add the label and the external link, you can edit your social links. And here if you want to add the channel, let's say just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So that's it. Now let's save this. Now all you have to do is publish your website and get your free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.